This is the SEC chief, Gary Gensler, wanting to slash the amount of time that traders have to report many bond transactions as part of a bid to increase visibility into fixed income markets. So this just breaking on the Bloomberg terminal. I think he's actually delivering these remarks at the same event that you were. This is like City Week, so it's almost like we planned this. I mean, this is a pretty big, market-moving event, the fact that he's slashing bond trading reporting time to 1 minute. Are we going to see a lot more transparency for some of these transactions?
I think you're going to see a lot more from Gary Gensler. He's very ambitious, he's very smart, and he's determined that the SEC is going to be a leading policymaker in Washington. And I think that's why you're seeing other agencies scrambling to keep up with Gary.
So, other potential measures, and he's also weighed in on cryptocurrencies, like other potential measures, and this is something that we were talking about a little bit earlier. Or some of these potential measures to boost transparency could include making a public trace date on individual Treasury transactions. This is something that he's reported in the past, but also looking at some of the trading protocols and fees paid for a transaction. I mean, is this an earthquake, actually, for your industry if he gets his way?
Well, I haven't seen the details, so I don't want to speculate. But he certainly has made transparency and disclosure an important part of an anchor of his leadership, and I think we're going to see more of that. Obviously, with respect to climate disclosure, there's the issue of the SEC versus the new ISSB. So Gary's aggressive, very smart, and is going to be a part of the policy discussion for the foreseeable future.